Let's look at final exam, question number 47, found on page 376 of Trigonometry Demystified, 2nd edition. Also, please refer to page 152 of the book for a discussion of exactly what is meant by the term right ascension. In this question, we are given a situation where we have a point on the Earth at 45 degrees south latitude. That would be maybe somewhere down near the tip of South America. That would be about the only place on land that I can think of that would be at 45 degrees south latitude. Most of the rest of those points are in the ocean. Anyway, though, suppose that we're standing on a point that's at that latitude. The question is asking us what is the right ascension of the point in the heavens that lies straight up, that is at the zenith, as we would see it from this point. Well, the correct answer to that question is E. We need more information to figure that out. Now remember what right ascension and declination refer to in celestial coordinates. I'm going to have to ask you to use your imaginations a little bit here because I can't draw in 3 dimensions. But imagine that we take the Earth's equator and we're looking right down on the equator. There's the North Pole, there's the South Pole. The Earth rotates around like that. Suppose that we take the plane of the Earth's equator, that is the circle around the Earth at the equator, extend the plane that contains that circle indefinitely into space. The declination of any point is just right over the latitude point on the Earth, so we know that the declination of this particular any point at 45 degrees south latitude will have a declination point directly overhead of south 45 degrees or minus 45 degrees. But the right ascension is in fact more like the longitude. This doesn't tell us anything about the longitude. The right ascension, though, rather than longitude, is fixed with respect to the stars instead of with respect to the Earth. Otherwise, it's the same thing. When the sun passes through the vernal equinox, that is at about March 21st, approximately, of every year, when the sun will be at the vernal equinox in the heavens at that time. We measure right ascension going towards the east around the celestial equator and parallel to the celestial equator, like longitude on the Earth, except instead of using the Greenwich meridian or the 0-degree longitude line on the Earth, we use the vernal equinox in space. But be that as it may, if we know this latitude, we don't know the longitude, and we also do not know the right ascension. So we need more information in order to figure that out. Again, the answer is E.